Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question how much data does Apple Maps use? So Apple Maps uses about 1 to 10 megabytes of data per hour during navigation. If you just browse maps or search location, it uses less. Heavy use like satellite view or real-time traffic updates will use more data. And I recommended to download offline maps, and you can save a lot of data because navigation then works without internet. On average, 1 gigabyte of mobile data could give you around 100 hours of Apple Maps usage for normal navigation. To save data, stick to the standard map, not Street View. Avoid zooming too much and download offline maps over Wi-Fi. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.